Love Harbor Freight? You won't believe the incredible deals they're going to have at their next parking lot sale. The sale doesn't even start until March 2nd, but we were able to acquire the ad before you can even see it. So grab your pad and pencil so you can start making your list now. Here we go.
Starting in the yellow banner up there, we have got the titanium step drill bits, or I call them Christmas tree bits. 52% off is a wicked deal. Next, you've got your 2800 series weatherproof protective case by Avalanche. I've got some of these cases. I love them. They're very well made. Lumen tactical flashlight. You've got your 24 feet LED string lights out there. This is a pretty good deal. With the little Edison bulbs in there for $18.99. 11 feet 4 inch by 19 feet 6 inch heavy duty reflective all-purpose tarp, 40% off at $14.99. You've got your nitrile gloves, powder free 50 pack, 50% off. Those are great deals. Now moving down into the red banner here, 35% off all Icon and Quinn sockets, 30% off all bottle jackets, 25% off all general carts, U.S. general carts, 30% off all jack stands, and 20% off all Atlas, Bauer, and Portland outdoor power tools. That's pretty sweet. All right, moving on to page 2, we've got your Badlands 12,000-pound truck or SUV winch with a wire rope at $70 off. Braun 500 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic handheld foldable slim bar work light. I have one of these and I love it. It is very well made. Got a Pittsburgh 1.5 ton low profile aluminum floor jack at $84.99. Your Predator 2500 watt super quiet inverter generator. This one is $130 off, making it $4.99. You've got your Maddox MR144 4.3 inch, or it's an MR14 4.3 inch screen OBD2 code reader. $35 off at $164.99. Yukon 5-tier shelves for $39.99, 33% off. Viking 1000 peak amp lithium ion jump starter pack at 22% off, making it $69.99. And you've got the titanium modular welding table. We use one of these. They work very well. They're perfect for beginners. They come with all of your little clamps and everything, but it's $50 off at $139.99. Moving down into the yellow banner, infrared lasers thermometer. I have one. They work great. You've got a dolly. I'll say the same thing I did last time. To go and buy the casters for this would cost more than it would just to buy the dolly. So if you need wheels for something, this is a great way to do it. Metal ammo cans at $11.99, 40% off is a good deal. 1500 watt 11 amp dual temperature heat gun at $9.96 is 50% off, great deal. Premium air compressor accessory kit at $14.99, those always come in handy. And you've got a 40 by 72 moving blanket at $3.76. All right, up to the top of the next page, we've got your 7-function digital multimeter for $4.29. If you don't have one of these around your shop, just pick this up, man. You're going to end up using it. Peg-style socket trays. It's a 3-piece for $16.99. We've got 5-gallon fuel cans at 18% off, either diesel or regular. 11-inch cable ties at $1.84. 2-gallon home and garden sprayer for $9.98, 37% off. That's a great deal. Titanium drill bit set, 29-piece, 40% off, $11.99. You can't go wrong. Drop down, we've got some Predator generators here. We've got the 9,500 watt super quiet inverter generator marked at $300 off, $1699.99 right now. 5,000 watt dual fuel super quiet inverter generator at $799.99, $3 off as well. 2-in-1 212 cc gasoline engine semi-trash water pump for $219.99, and you've got a horizontal shaft 6.5 horsepower gas engine for $119.99 at $30 off. Dropping down, you've got a 15 amp 66 pound 1 1/8 hex breaker hammer with maximum vibration control, whatever that means. $100 off at $549.99. You've got the Hercules surface conditioning tool for $99 $39.99. These are a corded version of that. 550-pound universal aluminum mobile folding miter saw stand at $139.99. And the Admiral 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw at $199.99. It is $40 off, which is a great deal. All right, we are moving down to the bottom of this page. We've got your 5-amp, 9-inch variable speed drywall sander for $109.99 at $40 off. Got your Bauer reciprocating saw. These are obviously corded models. This one is $44.99 at 18% off. 38% off your 5.7-amp, 6-inch random orbital DA polisher sander. You've also got buy a Bauer starter kit. So you get the charger, you get a 5-amp an hour battery, $99.99, and you're going to get one of these free tools with it as well, which is pretty sweet. I've also got the 3-gallon, 3-peak horsepower wet dry vacuum at 25% off, making it $29.99. 23-foot automatic feed handheld electric drain cleaner, 25% off at $74.99. And you've got the 8-volt cordless variable speed rotary tool kit, 40-piece. I have this kit. I've got many Dremels, but I like this one. It works very well. Comes with its own little case to store everything. 30% off, makes it $34.99. Let's get down into that yellow lower banner. We've got a 7-amp corded slide switch angle grinder for $22.99. I also have one of these. I've had it forever, probably well over 25 years. And I just stick a wire wheel on it and I use it at my welding table just to wire wheel stuff off. It works great. You've got 4.5-inch cutoff wheels at $442. That's almost half price. Ratcheting combination wrench, 7-piece set, your choice, SAE or metric for $21.99. That's 26% off. Canvas drop cloths at $6.96. 72-inch box frame level at $14.99. And a 25-foot quick find tape measure for $2.48. All good deals. All right, we are moving on. 12-volt power portable tire inflator with LED light at $9.98. 33% off. You've got a 900 lumen rechargeable swivel head flashlight at $19.99. 500-pound capacity, 1-inch by 15-inch ratcheting tie downs. It's a 4-pack for $9.98. That's 37% off. 3-foot by 5-foot American flag. God bless the USA. With embroidered stars at $4.92. That's 50% off. I have one. They're nice. 14-inch by 13-inch shop towels, 50-pack for $7.94. Again, almost half price off. 15-inch tool bag with 14 pockets at $4.98. That is half price off. Moving down, we've got a selection of some Daytona and Pittsburgh floor jacks. We've got a 3-ton low profile, was $199, $70 off. We've got a Daytona 4-ton professional floor jack, $100 off, making it $169.99. Then we've got a Daytona 3-ton low profile Super Duty floor jack with rapid pump, $40 off at $249, and a Pittsburgh 3-ton floor jack with rapid pump at $60 off, making it $89.99. We've got U.S. General rolling tool cabs. The 42-inch by 22-inch is $70 off at $529.99. The 72-inch by 22-inch is $14.99 and $300 off. That's a great deal. We've got 1,000 peak amp multifunction jump starter pack and power pack with 150 psi air compressor for $74.99. And we've also got a 2,000 peak amp lithium ion jump starter pack at $40 off, making it $99.99. All right, we got the Hallmaster 2-ball adjustable aluminum hitch, 6-inch drop, 6-inch rise, $99.99. Badlands 5,000-pound UTV Power Sport winch at $25 off, making it $154.99. Obviously, they've always got a liquidation sale going on, up to 72% off, hundreds of open box, as is discontinued closeout. You know the deal, folks. We've got Icon multi-spline screw extractor set, 25-piece at 28% off, making it $49.99. Master Brake caliper set for $49.99, 28% off. You've got the Quinn 3/8" drive 5 to 100 foot-pound digital angle torque wrench at $40 off, $129.99. The Pittsburgh Mechanics tool set, this is a 225-piece set. It is both standard and metric. $40 off, making it $99.99. Those make a great gift for, for young kids that need a little set of tools. You got the Kenway 12-volt LED trailer light kit at $29.99. That's 25% off. Moving down into the Yellow Banner brake, bleed, and vacuum pump kit at $17.99. You've got the 20-bin medium portable parts storage case. I have a couple of these, like 4 of them, and I just store all different nuts and bolts and screws and whatnot, but they're 40% off at $5.96. Microfiber cleaning cloths, $2.98. 12-inch F-style welding clamp at $19.99. Battery-operated liquid transfer pump, 51% off, $6.49. I will say I bought this once to extract gas out of some gas tanks on project, but the head of it was a little too big to fit in most of the tanks that I was using it for, so I never really ended up using it. 12-volt magnetic LED towing light kit, marked 30% down to $22.99. All right, we got pliers sets with comfort grips, a 5-piece set for $14.99 at 25% off. You have got your HVLP gravity feed air spray gun, 1.4 millimeter nozzle. It's a 20-ounce container at $9.99, 41% off. Clear stacking bins, large, at $2.79 a piece. 18-inch long neck funnel. You need one of these if you got a little shop. $1.92. It's over half price off. 10-foot by 16 3-gauge indoor-outdoor extension cord for $4.34. 15-pound capacity telescoping magnetic pickup tool. These do come in handy. 50% off at $2.49. Dropping down into some welding gear here, we've got the titanium MIG 170 professional welder with 120 or 240 volt input. It is marked $150 off, down to $399.99. That's a score. Vulcan 10.1 square inch arc safe auto darkening welding helmet, $40 off at $99.99. You've got a more basic Chicago electric standard auto darkening helmet. Definitely not as big of a viewing window, but it's only $29.99, folks, if you need something to break into welding with. We've got the Braun 10,000 lumen 4-foot linkable diamond plate LED hanging shop light, $32.99. Again, you can link these up 4 in a row to get yourself 40,000 watts or lumens of light in your shop there. Next, we've got the Earthquake XT half-inch composite air impact wrench. Twin hammer, 1,200 foot-pounds. It is $30 off at $89.99. And the 10-gallon, 175 PSI oil-free horizontal shop auto compressor. I'll tell you what, I have one of these Fortress air compressors, and when they say they are 80% quieter than other shop compressors, they are not lying one bit. I can have a full-on conversation with my mouth 3 inches from my compressor, and you can audibly understand me. We got the 6-gallon, 175 PSI, high-performance oil-free pancake job site compressor, $20 off at $139.99. And the McGraw 3-gallon, 110 PSI oil-free light-duty air compressor at $54.99, 21% off. All right, we are moving on to the last bit here. We've got a Banks 18-gauge Brad Air nailer. These are nice. Have one of these as well. $19.99 because it's 33% off. You've got the Central Pneumatic 3/8 50-foot retractable hose reel at 27% off, making it $64.99. The Merlin air hose, it's 3/8 50 feet PVC rubber hybrid air hose, $19.99 at 28% off. The Avanti handheld HVLP paint and stain sprayer. I'll tell you what, you guys, if you're building a fence or doing any type of outdoor painting, anything like that, these things are worth their weight in gold. And at 50% off at $34.99, I might just have to go pick one of these up myself. Apache 9800 weatherproof protective rifle cases. These are really, really nice, and you can fit multiple rifles in there. It's $50 off at $99.99. You've got the Central Machinery 3.5 cubic foot cement mixer, $70 off at $199. And the Franklin rolling carts, we have one of these. They come in so handy. They're $25 off, making them only $74.99. 17-foot reach type A, 300-pound multitask ladder, $30 off at $129.99. And the Doyle 6-inch swivel vise with anvil and pipe jaws at $149. I actually just picked up one of their Central Machinery silver ones with the pipe clamp on there for $89, and it is awesome. 5-tier bottomless steel garage shelving at $120. They're $20 off. And then moving down into the last yellow banner here, we've got 16-ounce fiberglass hammers at $396 at almost 50% off. Hex shank socket driver set 3-piece at 68% off, making it $188. These things get lost. Go pick yourself up some extras. 10-inch pneumatic tire at almost 50% off, making it $4.98. Grinder brush kit, 7-piece for $9.96. You've got another 3/8. This is by 25-foot PVC rubber hybrid air hose at $4.99. 25% off. And then you've got an 8-foot by 10-foot silver and black extreme duty tarp. 12 mil at 46% off, making it $7.98. Guys, again, the sale starts March 2nd. If you are not an ITC member, I would recommend becoming one before the sale starts so you can get in there on the 2nd and not have to wait till the 6th when everybody else gets to go. But hope you guys have enjoyed this. And if you have not liked or subscribed to our channel yet, please do so now. We're always trying to come out with good content for you. And until next time, Revrender out.
As always, thanks for watching. Tune in every Saturday for a new video. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Those likes really help us out with the YouTube algorithm. Until next time, Revrender out.